We are outside of Hamburg Hall, also known as the Heinz College building at Carnegie Mellon University. This originally had GAL and with Adams Hall stations, and now appears to be a thyssenkrupp with MODfusion Classic. Case fire safe for exit. It's in the basement right now. That indicator's distracting my camera. Here it is. That beep is interesting. Let's check out the new elevator. It fell open.
Floor 1.
It is. Here's the basement. Interior go down. Here's the basement. That beep is odd. It's the grocery store beep and a weird beep.
Floor B.
Very nice, I must say. Well, it's the ring bell thyssenkrupp trick. Now here's someone, so I sure hope they don't use the elevator. And here we go up. Here it's great.
Floor 3.
Go back down to 1. 88 phone, Mad toll button, Mad toll call cancel too. Basic stainless steel cab. This was done so heavily I can't tell if this is a mod or a complete replacement. It only took about a couple months to do because it started on July 5th, I believe, here back at 1. I don't know when I finished it, however. thyssenkrupp did a very nice job on this elevator.
Floor 1.
Despite some noises I don't especially appreciate, but I don't know. Very nice mod. They're closest, and that's going to be it.